So, we have a new exhaust elbow, so it's project time.
So when making the gaskets, one of the things that we do is use a pencil to mark the edges of the actual piece. And then when we press the gasket against those edges, you'll get a faint graphite line that you can then use to etch the exact shape. He made these a little oblong, and that means that if the angle wasn't exactly right, we can spin it. Give us just a little bit of give. I have to get some more of these. Those aren't stainless anyway. I need to get some stainless. Sketch this.
Can we get the other 4 bolts and washers for the...
Yep.
Bigger. Can I have some WD-40? Okay, now I need a smaller size. There's 7/16" ratchet.
And here we have our brand new exhaust elbow installed. Now then, we'll see if it starts up. During this segment, by the way, we are watching and listening for any potential leaks. You'll see and hear later on that obviously something was allowing exhaust water into the actual heat exchanger.
Yeah, you can hear the problem there.
Yeah, it's not spurting up from there. It's spurting down from there.
I saw it coming from the entire edge.
Yep.
Not just a tiny piece of the edge, the entirety
from
of the
this
edge.
heat exchanger.
Yeah.
We might have to buy a new heat exchanger. That's like $2,000.
The salt water got in the heat exchanger and destroyed the elbow.
Yeah, we got the heat exchanger was leaking into the elbow. That's what destroyed the elbow. That was one of my initial fears.
Well, now that we know what it is, we can solve the problem.
The problem is that means that we could be getting salt water into the engine too. So we won't know that for right away. But
Well, that'll be the next thing we have to do on this.
can you drain the...